with your poultice, the easiest poultice and the non-messy kind is you take 1 part of your charcoal, and this is psyllium husk powder. This is the stuff that makes you go to the bathroom, like Metamucil. That's the active ingredient. So you're going to use, when I say parts, whatever your measurement is, this is a teaspoon, you're going to use that same measurement for this, and your water, okay? So, and there's only 3 things to do for this. So we're going to open up our charcoal. I'm going to get a teaspoon. And like I said, it gets messy, y'all. All right, put some in there. And I put a towel down because the table that I'm working on is white, of course. I'm good at knocking things over, so I had to put the top back on. All right, I'm just going to knock this out just a little bit. All right, and then I'm running low on this, so I'm going to try and dig for this. I'm going to get 1 part of psyllium husk powder. There we go. All right, now, and I'm going to mix that up together. Now, this is the important piece to this particular poultice. See, I've got it in here, and it's I need to mix the psyllium seed powder with the activated charcoal really, really good, because what's going to happen if I don't is the psyllium powder is going to absorb all that water, and the charcoal will get no water, and then you won't be drawing anything. You're just going to sit there and do nothing. Okay, so it's going to look like it's not going to look black anymore. It's going to look like a mixed gray color. Okay, and it doesn't take much. Okay, now here's my parts. This is for my water. Now for my water, I'm going to use 6 parts. So it's 1 part, and 6 parts water. Now this is just a little bit, and it doesn't look like a lot, but I do need all 6 parts. Okay, and I'm going to show you why. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Normally I use a chopstick for this because I like chopsticks. They're wooden. But I'm going to use a spoon for this one just so I can get and scrape around the edges. Now it looks kind of watery. It looks like I put too much water in it, but I'm telling you, it pretty soon it's going to start looking like really thick Play-Doh. My Aunt Betty used to make homemade biscuits, and she used to try to teach me how to make biscuits. I was never really good at it, but it sort of looks like biscuit dough. And if it's not wet, there is no right or wrong way to do this. And if it's not wet enough, just add a little bit more water.